Meet the 5-axis CNC Machining Center, your all-in-one solution for metal 3D printing, motor housing machining, and stainless steel impeller manufacturing. With 650 by 620 by 520 millimeters X, Y, Z travels, plus or minus 120 degrees axis movement, and unlimited 360 degrees Z-axis rotation, the machine delivers full 5-axis CNC machining access for even the most complex geometries. Combining additive, subtractive hybrid machining with high-precision control, it achieves 100% qualified impeller repairs with consistent finishing while reducing both costs and lead times. For motor housing production, its automated clamping and multi-axis machining streamline the manufacturing process, ensuring both precision and efficiency for high-volume production. In impeller machining, intelligent clamping and hybrid turning, milling processes enable unmanned, high-precision manufacturing, overcoming complex surfaces while improving quality and productivity. Designed for complex parts, the Machining 5-Axis Hybrid Machining Center empowers manufacturers with outstanding precision, efficiency, and reliability.